Hi, this is attorney Andrea Witt.
And I'm attorney Stephen Spano with a legal and financial minute or two. Andrea, in addition to being a lawyer, you are a mother of 2 teenage children. Your daughter just graduated from high school and will be attending college in the fall, while your son's entering his junior year at high school. I know there's a lot of excitement, but what steps did you take to foster independence and prepare your daughter for college?
As a parent, you try to do everything you can to prepare them to be adults, to consider diverse options, and to make intelligent decisions. To that end, once my daughter turned 18, I asked her to tackle her first responsibility as a legal adult. I asked her to set up a conference with one of the other attorneys in our firm to create her life care and estate plan before she sets off on the next phase of her life. I'm immensely proud of how seriously she took this responsibility and how she deliberated and made her own decisions in creating her plan.
Wow, that's really wonderful. It's so fortunate that she is so mature and was able to tackle that, but also so unfortunate that so many other people wait until their elder years before they even consider such a plan, often to the point where they can no longer create a plan due to illness or death. Unfortunately, this results in a legal mess and the possible loss of their entire life savings.
Of course, as her mother, I know that she's amazing. But I'm also confused about why so many people think an estate plan is just about assets, money, and property. It really is about the person as well. What if something happens to my daughter while she's away at college? How would I make decisions for her?
That's really a great point. Many of our parents are shocked to discover when a crisis does occur and their child does suffer an illness that they are absolutely unable to make any medical or any other decisions for their child without court intervention. On a more mundane, but also important note, they're also surprised to learn that once their child turns 18, that the parent cannot even view their child's grades, even though the parent's paying for the college education.
That's right. The Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, commonly called FERPA, is a federal law that protects the privacy of student educational records, even from their parents, once the child turns 18.
It's precisely that reason that planning documents for young individuals should incorporate FERPA authority within them for parents. We also recommend that parents contact the educational institution to determine if that institution has a specific FERPA document that needs to be signed by the student.
The moral of today's legal and financial minute or two is to begin planning early for your children and help them foster an understanding of their rights and responsibilities as adults.
Remember, all lawyers and law firms are not the same. Seek out an expert law firm to protect you and your family.
We hope this legal and financial minute or two has helped you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
If you have something you'd like us to address in one of our segments, or have any other questions on this or any other legal or financial topic, feel free to call or text Spano and Dwicki at 781-231-7800 or email us at help@spanodwicki.com.